Hello, my friends, I'm Rony. Welcome back to English with Rony, where we learn English in a simple, natural, and fun way. Today, I have something very special for you that will help you speak English confidently in your daily life. We are going to practice advanced English sentences step by step, so you can understand them, memorize them, and use them easily in real conversations. So let's start learning together and make your English stronger every day. Sentence 1. I was just about to call you. This sentence is used when you were planning to call someone very recently. But before you could do that, the other person contacted you first. It sounds natural and polite, showing that you did not ignore them and that the call was already in your mind. I was just about to call you. I was just about to call you. Sentence 2. That completely slipped my mind. Use this sentence when you forget something important like a task, a promise, or an appointment. It sounds more mature than saying, I forgot, and shows that the mistake was unintentional. That completely slipped my mind. That completely slipped my mind. Sentence 3. I'm not in the mood right now. Use this sentence when you do not feel emotionally or mentally ready to talk or do something. It politely refuses without sounding rude or angry. I'm not in the mood right now. I'm not in the mood right now. Sentence 4. Let's get straight to the point. Use this sentence when a conversation is taking too long and you want to focus on the main topic only. It is very common in meetings and serious discussions. Let's get straight to the point. Let's get straight to the point. Sentence 5. I couldn't agree more. Use this sentence when you strongly agree with someone's opinion. It sounds confident and more natural than simply saying, I agree. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. Sentence 6. That makes sense. Use this sentence when something becomes clear after an explanation. It shows that you understand the logic behind what someone said. That makes sense. That makes sense. Sentence 7. I see what you mean. Use this sentence when you understand another person's point of view, even if you do not fully agree. It helps keep the conversation respectful. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Sentence 8. You've got a point. Use this sentence when someone says something reasonable or logical. It shows appreciation for their thinking. You've got a point. You've got a point. Sentence 9. It's not a big deal. Use this sentence when you want to say that a problem or mistake is not serious. It helps make the other person feel relaxed. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Sentence 10. I'll get back to you shortly. Use this sentence when you cannot reply immediately and need a little time. It sounds professional and polite. I'll get back to you shortly. Sentence 11. I'm tied up at the moment. Use this sentence when you are busy right now and cannot give time or attention. It sounds more natural and professional than simply saying, I'm busy. I'm tied up at the moment. I'm tied up at the moment. Sentence 12. Let's figure it out. Use this sentence when there is a problem or confusion and you want to find a solution together. It shows a calm and cooperative attitude. Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. Sentence 13. I'll take care of it. Use this sentence when you accept responsibility for a task or problem. It sounds confident and makes others feel relaxed. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. Sentence 14. That works for me. Use this sentence when you agree with a plan, idea, or time suggestion. It is very common in daily life and work situations. That works for me. That works for me. Sentence 15. I need to wrap this up. Use this sentence when you want to finish a task, conversation, or meeting. It sounds polite and clear. I need to wrap this up. I need to wrap this up. Sentence 16. I'm running out of time. Use this sentence when you do not have much time left to finish something. It clearly expresses urgency. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Sentence 17. I'll look into it. Use this sentence when someone asks you about an issue and you need time to check or investigate. It sounds responsible and professional. I'll look into it. I'll look into it. Sentence 18. I'll keep you posted. Use this sentence when you promise to give updates or new information later. It is common in work and formal communication. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Sentence 19. I'm not sure about that. Use this sentence when you are uncertain or do not fully agree with something. It sounds polite and honest. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Sentence 20. It depends. Use this sentence when the answer is not fixed and changes based on the situation. It is very common in natural conversation. It depends. It depends. Sentence 21. Would you mind if I joined? Use this sentence when you want to politely ask for permission to join a group, conversation, or activity. It sounds respectful and well-mannered. Would you mind if I joined? Would you mind if I joined? Sentence 22. I'd really appreciate it. Use this sentence when you want to politely ask for help or show gratitude in advance. It sounds sincere and polite. I'd really appreciate it. I'd really appreciate it. Sentence 23. Just to be clear. Use this sentence when you want to confirm or clarify something to avoid confusion. It helps keep communication clear. Just to be clear. Just to be clear. Sentence 24. With all due respect. Use this sentence when you want to disagree politely without sounding rude. It shows respect before giving a different opinion. With all due respect. With all due respect. Sentence 25. I'm afraid that's not possible. Use this sentence when you need to say no in a formal or polite way. It sounds respectful and professional. I'm afraid that's not possible. I'm afraid that's not possible. Sentence 26. Let me double check. Use this sentence when you want to confirm information before giving a final answer. It shows carefulness and responsibility. Let me double check. Let me double check. Sentence 27. Thanks for bringing this up. Use this sentence when someone mentions an important issue or idea. It shows appreciation and attentiveness. Thanks for bringing this up. Thanks for bringing this up. Sentence 28. Please feel free to ask. Use this sentence when you want to encourage questions or open communication. It sounds friendly and supportive. Please feel free to ask. Please feel free to ask. Sentence 29. That caught me off guard. Use this sentence when something surprises you unexpectedly. It sounds natural and expressive. That caught me off guard. That caught me off guard. Sentence 30. I didn't see that coming. Use this sentence when something unexpected happens. It is common in daily conversation. I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. Sentence 31. It slipped my mind. Use this sentence when you forget something unintentionally. It sounds natural and honest. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. Sentence 32. I'm not entirely sure. Use this sentence when you are unsure but not completely confused. It sounds polite and realistic. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure. Sentence 33. That makes sense. Use this sentence when you understand or agree with someone's explanation. It shows clarity. That makes sense. That makes sense. Sentence 34. I'll get back to you. Use this sentence when you need time before replying or deciding. It sounds professional. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Sentence 35. As far as I know. Use this sentence when you are sharing information but not 100% certain. It sounds careful. As far as I know. As far as I know. Sentence 36. I couldn't agree more. Use this sentence when you strongly agree with someone. It sounds confident. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. Sentence 37. Let's call it a day. Use this sentence when you want to stop working or end something for now. Very common in daily life. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Sentence 38. That's not the case. Use this sentence when you want to correct a misunderstanding politely. That's not the case. That's not the case. Sentence 39. I'll take care of it. Use this sentence when you assure someone that you will handle a task or problem. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. Sentence 40. It's up to you. Use this sentence when you want to give someone the freedom to decide. It's up to you. It's up to you. Sentence 41. I'm on the same page. Use this sentence when you agree with someone or share the same understanding. It sounds modern and professional. I'm on the same page. I'm on the same page. Sentence 42. That crossed my mind. Use this sentence when you want to say you also thought about the same idea earlier. That crossed my mind. That crossed my mind. Sentence 43. I'll keep that in mind. Use this sentence when someone gives you advice or information and you want to show respect. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Sentence 44. It doesn't ring a bell. Use this sentence when you don't recognize or remember something at all. It doesn't ring a bell. It doesn't ring a bell. Sentence 45. I'm just saying. Use this sentence when you give an opinion softly without forcing it. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Sentence 46. Let me double check. Use this sentence when you want to verify information before giving a final answer. Let me double check. Let me double check. Sentence 47. That works for me. Use this sentence when you agree with a plan, time, or suggestion. That works for me. That works for me. Sentence 48. I didn't mean it that way. Use this sentence when you want to clarify your intention after a misunderstanding. I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way. Sentence 49. I'm running out of time. Use this sentence when you are short on time or feeling rushed. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Sentence 50. Let's see how it goes. Use this sentence when you want to wait and observe the result without pressure. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to practice these sentences again and again, because practice is the real key to speaking English confidently. Remember, improvement doesn't come in one day. It comes from small daily efforts. Keep learning, keep speaking, and never feel shy about making mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Thank you so much for watching and spending your valuable time with me. I'll see you in the next video with more useful English sentences. Until then, take care, stay motivated, and keep moving forward.